How to order pizza. Welcome to Pizza Palace.
Can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any specials today?
Yes, we have a family combo.
What's in the family combo?
One large pizza, garlic bread and drinks.
How much is it?
It's $20.
Can I order now?
Yes, of course.
I want a large pepperoni pizza.
What kind of sauce?
Tomato sauce, please.
Anything else?
That's all for now.
Would you like to dine in or take away?
Take away, please. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Can I pay now?
Yes, please go to the counter.
How much in total?
It's $25.
Can I pay by cash?
Yes, of course.
Here's $30.
Your change is $5. Please wait while we prepare your order.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Your pizza will be ready in 10 minutes.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the wall.
Thank you. Excuse me, is my order ready?
Almost ready. Just a few more minutes. Your order is ready. Here is your pizza.
The pizza smells great. I can't wait to eat. Let's eat at home. Did they add extra cheese?
Yes, they did.
It looks delicious. I'm so hungry. Let's open the box. Wow, it smells amazing. It looks so yummy. Let's eat. Be careful, it's hot. I'm drinking my Coke. I'm getting full. We can eat it again. Tonight. What's your favorite pizza? I love cheese pizza. Do you eat pizza often? Maybe once a week. I like pizza more than burgers. Pizza is easy to share. Have you tried seafood? Pizza? I want to try Hawaiian pizza. Some people don't like it. Everyone has different taste. Which shop did you order from? Pizza Palace. Do they deliver? Yes, they do. How long was the wait? About 15 minutes. That's fast. What app did you use? I ordered by phone. I'll try that next time. Let's order together. Next time. Good idea. I'll bring drinks. I'll order the pizza. Should we invite more friends? Sure. Pizza party. Let's plan for Saturday. I'm free on Saturday. It's going to be fun. Can't wait. I'm so full now. That was a great dinner. Thanks for ordering. Please subscribe to support my channel.